Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County, Eastern Mercer County, Whiteside County, South Central Carroll County, Northeastern Warren County, Henry County, Northwestern Bureau County, Southern Jackson County, Eastern Cedar County, Northeastern Muscatine County, Scott County, Southern Jones County, Clinton County, until 10 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Central Park to near Alpha, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ideal, Westlake Park, Cambridge, Manlius, Kewanee Municipal Airport, Jackson County Fairgrounds, East Clinton, Fort Byron, Davenport Municipal Airport, Stone City, Union Grove, Thompson Causeway, Osmore, Elwood, Albany, Bryant, Black Hawk State Park, Maquoketa, Princeton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 272 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 46. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 33. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 36. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. Take cover now.